Hi, I'm Evie,
My name is Kendall.
and we're students in Natural Resources and Environmental Science, and today we're going to be making seed balls.
So seed balls are made of clay, compost, and native species seeds, and they're a really easy way to introduce native species into low maintenance areas and also improve biodiversity in the local environment.
What you're going to need is compost, clay, and native seeds. We're working with 4 parts compost to 1 part clay, so I'm just going to dump these in here. So you're going to need to mix these together, and then you're going to add a little bit of water until it all starts to stick together. You don't want to add too much or it'll turn to mud. For these seed balls, we're going to use 2 to 3 seeds, but you can vary that amount based off of how big that you want the seed ball to be. The seed balls can be any size, really doesn't matter that much. Now we're going to let these dry for at least 24 hours, and then you can distribute them into the environment and watch them bloom.